Hey everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing about how to add video in Figma. Now before we dive into the video, let me mention that there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So yeah guys, it is going to be actually a huge support if you guys show some love by donating. So now talking about adding your video in Figma, this is basically a premium feature in Figma, so you need to keep that in mind. Now there are a couple of steps that you want to follow in order to add a video in Figma. First is drag and drop the video file from your computer onto the canvas on which you are working. Use the video importer from the fill color picker. Then use the place image slash video tool to add the videos in bulk if you want to do add multiple videos, of course. Then you're going to be copying a video from another layer in current file or from another file. Then paste any video from your clipboard to canvases, and that's it. That's how easily you can add videos in Figma using this couple of steps. So I hope you learned something new. If you did so, make sure to let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or issues. As well, head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel, and make sure to subscribe as well. So see you in the next one.